Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm a Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually buy and review affordable and expensive makeup from AliExpress, drugstore, dollar store, all budget friendly. I test it on myself and I'll pass the savings to you guys. So this is a totally different video. I'm doing a review of skincare, which I love skincare. I'm 45. I like anti-aging serums. We're going to be reviewing this. This is Yeouth Retinol Serum with all kind of good stuff added to it. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and free notification bell so you know when I upload. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 11 AM Pacific time. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it and leave me a comment. Let's get right into this. So I got this retinol serum as in my first PR. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, this is a small channel, under 1,000 subscribers, but we're getting close. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm planning a big giveaway as a gift card. So watch out for that and subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe, free notification bell, share. Let's get that out of the way and let's get into this. So I was approached by them on Instagram, or it was an email. I think I got an email. So I got an email to try this serum in exchange of the video. So that never happened to me before, so I was really excited. I'm 45 and I like skincare. I mean, who doesn't? I like anything anti-aging, and I have some fine lines and wrinkles and some sun damage from being in the sun too much in Florida when we lived there years ago. So now I use a lot of SPF, but I like to moisturize and I like to try different things. So I was really excited when I got approached. I googled everything, researched, because if this was questionable, I wouldn't be even approaching them and I wouldn't be doing a review. So they got great reviews on Amazon, great reviews, thousands of them, and I'm like, okay, we can work with this, I can trust this. So first of all, I want to thank Yeouth for approaching me and thank you for working with me and send me the serum. So I tried this for almost 20 days. Today is 23rd. I started this on the 4th. So that's like almost 3 weeks, more or less. So that's a good test time. So I'm going to be inserting clips of before and after of my skin later in this video so you can see the actual difference, because I think I can see the difference. My skin is pretty good. I can't complain, but I think I can clearly see some things improving: the brightness of the skin, the fewer dark spots, sunspots, and fewer fine lines. So I think we're onto something. Let's talk about this product. This is Yeouth Retinol Serum, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and aloe vera. So a powerful serum targets these signs of aging: fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots and sunspots, crepey skin, pore size, and collagen loss. It comes in 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, and it's $19.95. So it's available on Amazon and it's available on Yeouth's website. So I'm looking right now at the link on Yeouth. Actually, Yeouth is spelled through Y-E-O-U-T-H. So it's like youth but with a E. I mean, yeah. So I was just curious, and of course I had to read about everything on their website. So I wanted to know how they came about, and I read about us. So the founder is a cosmetic chemist, actually, so that makes sense. It says, as a cosmetic chemist developing advanced skincare products for companies large and small for decades, I was asked time and time again to create formulas that contain only a fraction of the key ingredients necessary to produce visible results. And these companies were interested in profit above quality and customer satisfaction. Because people deserve better, I decided to create and manufacture my own line of superior skincare products. The result is Yeouth. Sounds good. At Yeouth, our passion is helping people put their best self forward. Kevin Mallory seems like their founder, chief chemist. I mean, there was a lot of information, but it was just interesting to know. So besides the retinol, they have all kind of skincare. So I'm looking at the menu right now, and I'm looking for skincare, and they have not only retinol, they have also hyaluronic acid, they have glycolic acid, they have packages like of different skincare bottles packaged together with vitamin C and E, balancing facial toner, radiance eye gel, anti-aging moisturizer. I mean, there's a lot. C and E serum. I'm just looking right now. Neck firming cream, day and night cream, anti-aging super serum. Now that I'm looking at this, I mean, I have looked before, but I think I might try more from them, and because I'm really impressed with this product as well. So as I said, it retails for $19.95. As far as this product goes, it says the powerful wrinkle fighting serum will deliver dramatically visible results while hydrating and brightening the skin at the same time. Think smoother, firmer skin, less wrinkles and lines, and small pores. I feel like it does it. I mean, my skin is pretty good. That's why it's hard to like see on it, but I do see some difference actually. So it says retinol helps support skin rejuvenation by gently exfoliating away dead skin to reveal healthy, new skin and fewer visible lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid, it's moisturizer of course, and vitamin E is potent antioxidant, and aloe vera is extremely soothing and moisturizing to the skin. So I like this combination because I used retinol before, and the one I used was a little more drying, but at the same time they added oil there, and it was a little more irritating. Like my skin felt like it was red. It gently exfoliates. It minimizes appearance fine lines, all good stuff. So how it's made? It's made in the USA, so that's a big plus. So a lot of these products are made in China. I mean, I don't mind China. I use a lot of products made in China, but it's kind of nice that something is made locally. It's paraben free, it's sulfate free, it's phthalates free, fragrance free, GMO free, and triclosan free. Could pronounce that to save my life. So it's free of all the chemical stuff pretty much. So this is what it looks like, the box, and I'm gonna show you what the bottle looks like. It says to apply at night instead of applying twice a day, because I've seen some people say they apply it in the morning. The reason I don't apply this in the morning because retinol exfoliates and makes skin sensitive. So during the day your skin can burn because it gets more sensitive to UV lights. So I would say use SPF during the day. Don't put that on in the morning, but use this at night. So I made a good dent in it. Maybe you can see the liquid is already here. It says fragrance free, but to me it kind of smells a little like honey. It's weird, but it's nice. It's a nice smell. So that's what the front looks like. I'm gonna show you what the texture looks like because I don't have a clip of me actually rubbing it on because it's the obvious. So I'm gonna show you a little bit scored. Come out. Oh, there you go. So it looks yellow, kind of like honey. I don't know. It smells very good. It does say fragrance free, but I'm not sure what it is. Maybe natural fragrance, but it really does smell good. What I like about it, it doesn't feel sticky, and it doesn't feel like it's drying. It has actual moisturizing ingredients, which is unusual for retinol. It takes a little bit to absorb, like a few minutes, and then you're supposed to put moisturizer on it, on the skin. I just use regular moisturizer, but apparently they have a lot of products, so you could buy their moisturizer and their eye cream. I don't know, looking at their stuff makes me want to buy all of that. because I'm really impressed with this. I wasn't sure how it's gonna go because I'm a big skeptic. I am, but it seems like it does really work well. So I'm really, really impressed with this. So you guys want to see, I'm going to link all their links below in the description box. So there are Amazon link and their website link. And you can see they have sales sometimes. Right now, actually, this is the 23rd of June. They actually have sale. By the time this video comes out, it might not be on sale anymore, but right now it was like $15, $13. So I'm like, oh, it's on sale. So, but I bet they have sales once in a while. So I'm going to insert the clips before and after right now with the pictures so you guys can see, and I'm gonna come back. So this is day one of using Yeouth Retinol Serum, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and aloe vera. That's from Amazon, and I'm excited. It smells very good. I just applied it all over my face. Let's see what happens. I'm 45 years old, as you know. I have a little bit of fine lines, so I'm very excited because it did not sting my face, which is like, wow, it's a big deal. I'm really impressed so far. We'll see. Give it 2 weeks. Today is... it's 7/29, Thursday the 4th, June 4th. Here's the receipts and deleted tweets. Day one. So I'm taking it for 2 weeks and we'll see how it goes. So I've been using Yeouth Retinol 2.5% Retinol Serum, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, aloe vera. And it's been about 20 days. So today is 23rd. There you go. And I started on the 4th, so like 19 days. So I feel like my skin is very smooth. I feel like I have fewer sunspots. I have sun damage from years of being in the sun in Florida. I'm 45, so my skin is pretty good, but I've had some spots. I feel like my spots have faded quite a bit. I'm only wearing eye makeup now, by the way. So if you see from previous videos, I feel like I do see the difference. It's really moisturizing. I really, really think it does work. That's my after. So as you can see in the video clips, you might see a slight difference. I see it myself because I see my face in the mirror close. So I think I do see some difference, especially in the sunspots on my forehead. It's smoother and I had some on my cheeks. I'm impressed. I love the way it feels on skin too, so it's a big plus. I mean, compared to other brands, there's some brands that's less expensive, but I feel like it's better quality because I do see results, and 2.5% is higher percentage than the one I've been using before. The one I was using before was 1%, and I don't know, maybe it was doing something too, but it's definitely superior. So it might be a little pricier, but you get what you pay for, and it's made in USA, so that's a big deal. So I would highly recommend to check them out, and I might buy some more stuff from them now that I like this one. So check out the link in the description box and check out Amazon and their own website and look at their products. I think they're really worth it. This is nice stuff. Great ingredients and great reviews on Amazon and everywhere else. So this is my no BS review. No BS because it really did work. And otherwise I wouldn't even be making this video if it didn't. I would be just like, no thank you. So that's it for today. So like this video, comment below, let me know what you think. Have you heard of them? Honestly, I never heard of this until they contacted me, but now I'm glad they did. So it's a good find. So check out the reviews on Amazon. They have like thousands of them. So, you know, the proof is in the pudding. So leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 11 AM Pacific time. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so YouTube notifies you every time I upload. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye!